So in case of reptiles, they are sliding and crawling on the ground itself. So they lay their eggs in the ground, they cover it up with soil and all, छुपा के रखते हैं. Still they are eaten by the other animals. Okay, so only few babies are born. Okay, next are the animals that give babies birth. Okay, birth is directly given to the babies, there are no eggs. Okay beta, so till now we were seeing all those animals which lay eggs, and from that eggs after incubation the babies come out. But now we are looking at animals that directly give birth to young babies. Okay beta, now animals that give birth to young ones and suckle them with milk are called mammals. Now the animals which give birth to the babies और उनको दूध भी पिलाते, suckle them with milk, those animals are called as mammals. Okay beta, so mammals is the word given to the animals who give birth to the young ones directly and also suckle them with milk. Dogs, cats, cows, monkeys, rabbits, elephants, kangaroos, giraffe, lion and human beings are the examples of these animals. Okay, so we are all mammals, है ना, human beings भी बोला है, so we human beings are mammals. So the different animals which are mammals are giraffe, lion, kangaroo, elephant, rabbit, monkey, dog, cat, cow. These all they give birth to their young ones directly. They do not lay eggs. अंडे नहीं देते हैं. Okay. The complete development of the young ones takes place inside the mother's body. मम्मी के बॉडी के अंदर ही they develop fully. Okay, whatever the mummy is eating, that is giving energy and nutrition to the baby inside, and so the baby develops fully inside the mother's body and then they come out. Okay beta, so the mother feeds the young ones with her milk after they are born. So after these you must have seen dogs, cats, है ना, kittens and puppies. So these kittens and puppies, they are directly born from their mother and they drink milk from the mother. Okay, so the mother takes very good care of the babies, isn't it? You must have seen the dogs, cats, वो अपने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं. If you go and try to touch them, तो वो घुर्राते हैं, isn't it? The dogs, they don't like it. So these babies are well taken care of by their mothers. Okay beta, mammals have a very well developed brain. Most of them have hair on their body. So the mammals are having more developed brain. Okay, उनके पास intelligence ज़्यादा है. Okay, mammals के पास they are also having hair on their body. उनके body पे hair भी होते हैं. Okay, so and they mostly live on land, और ज़्यादा करके they live on the land. So all the animals, isn't it? Lion, tiger, giraffe, dog, cat, we are all mammals and we live on land mostly. We all are having hair on our body and we have a very intelligent brain as well, isn't it? They breathe through their lungs. उनके पास lungs है. Lungs are the organs which are inside this chest cavity. Okay बेटा? तो हम nose से breathe करके, lungs are the ones, the organs inside which are helping in taking in oxygen, and this oxygen is then given to the blood. Okay beta, so these lungs are the breathing organs for the mammals. Mammals are animals, those have hair on the body, they breathe through their lungs and they also give birth to their young ones directly. They do not lay eggs. Okay beta? Some mammals such as dolphin and whales live in water. Now dolphins and whales, they live in water, so they are also an mammals but. Okay, तो ये दो mammals हैं जो पानी में भी रह सकते हैं. Okay, dolphin and the whales. Okay, they give directly birth to the young ones. वो अंडे नहीं देते हैं. Okay, that is why they are mammals. They are called as aquatic mammals. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Aquatic mammals. Okay बेटा, तो mammals mostly live on the land, but exceptions are everywhere. So whale and dolphin are the exceptions. They live in the water, but they are mammals, and hence they are called as aquatic mammals. Aquatic यानी जो animals पानी में रहते हैं, है ना? So these are aquatic mammals. Okay बेटा. Next we come to the mammals care for their young ones. Now as I told you, mammals के पास थोड़ा ज़्यादा intelligence है, isn't it? So they take very good care of their young ones, isn't it? आपकी मम्मी भी आपका बहुत ध्यान रखती है ना? आपको खाना खिलाती है, सब कुछ सिखाते हैं आपको, isn't it? You don't even know eating, you don't even know walking, you don't even know speaking. तो ये सब आपको कौन सिखाता है? Your parents, isn't it? So the mammals are very careful of their babies. They take very good care of their babies. Even the cats and dogs you must have seen, वो अपने बच्चों का बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखते हैं, है ना? So mammals take very good care of their babies. Okay? They keep their babies clean and warm, है ना? If you have seen the doggies, they lick their babies. Why? They want to keep them clean. Okay? So the babies are kept warm and clean by their mothers, isn't it? They feed their babies and protect them from the enemies. वो अपने बच्चों को दूध पिलाते हैं, खिलाते हैं, and कि उनका प्रोटेक्शन भी करते हैं. दे प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द अदर एनिमल्स. दूसरे एनिमल्स से भी उनको बचा के रखते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव सीन डिस्कवरी चैनल एंड ऑल बेटा, यू मस्ट हैव सीन डियर, एलिफेंट, वो सब अपने बच्चों का ध्यान रखते हैं ना, ताकि वो लायन, टाइगर डोंट कम एंड ईट देम. So they are trying to protect their babies. Okay, they protect their babies from the other animals who are eating them. Most fish, reptiles and insects do not take care of their young ones. When we saw about fish and insects and the reptiles, I told you, वो अंडे देके चले जाते हैं. ओके, और उनके अंडे फिर दूसरे खा जाते हैं. सो नॉट ऑल बेबीज आर बॉर्न. सो व्हाई डज दैट हैपन? बिकॉज दे डू नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ देयर एग्स, है ना? वो अपने अंडों का बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं, इसलिए उनके अंडे दूसरे एनिमल्स दे ईट अप. ओके, एंड सो वी कैन से द मैमल्स टेक केयर ऑफ देयर एनिमल्स मोर. बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखते हैं, ध्यान रखते हैं. They lay their eggs in a safe place and leave the young ones to live on their own. मैंने आपको बताया था, राइट? They lay their eggs. Eggs देके वो चले जाते हैं. बटरफ्लाई एग्स देगा और चला जाएगा. ग्रास हॉपर अंडे देकर चला जाता है. ओके, सो द फिश, द फ्रॉग, दे जस्ट ले देयर एग्स एंड गो अवे. बच्चे अपने आप दे डेवलप एंड कम आउट फ्रॉम द एग्स. Okay, and they further eat and grow into adult. Okay, so the egg laying animals, they don't take good care of their babies, but in contrast mammals, they take very good care of their babies for a very long time. जब तक वो चलना, खुद शिकार करके खाना नहीं सीख जाते, तब तक मम्मी उनका ध्यान रखती है. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव सीन द डिस्कवरी चैनल्स, दे शो इन दैट कि लायंस, टाइगर्स, वो अपने बच्चों को शिकार करना भी सिखाते हैं, और जब तक वो शिकार करना सीख नहीं जाते, दे डोंट लीव देम, तब तक उनका ध्यान रखते हैं. So in this way we saw in this chapter that animals reproduce पैदा होते हैं by two main methods, that is laying eggs or directly giving birth to the young ones. Okay, so please go through this chapter, read it thoroughly. Okay beta, that's for it today.